Travel to Spain for free, the ultimate guide. Welcome to our channel. It is very important to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and leave a comment to receive all that is new. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to travel to Spain for free. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around to find out how you can explore this beautiful country without spending a dime. Spain, a land of vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine, doesn't have to remain a dream. With a little planning and some savvy travel tips, you can experience it all without breaking the bank. Over the next few minutes, we'll unlock the secrets to traveling to Spain for free, from snagging free flights to finding comfortable accommodation and experiencing the best of Spanish culture without spending a euro. So buckle up and let's get started. Now I know what you're thinking. Free flights to Spain, that sounds too good to be true. But trust me folks, it's possible with travel hacking. Think of it as a game where you use points, miles and strategy to earn free or discounted travel. It's not about being rich, it's about being smart. One common method is through credit card sign-up bonuses. Many cards offer points or miles for signing up and meeting a spending requirement. Use your card for everyday expenses to rack up miles. Another way is through airline loyalty programs. Sign up for free and earn miles every time you fly. Earn miles with partner airlines, hotels and car rentals. Travel rewards websites and apps offer bonus miles for bookings. It's like getting rewarded for something you were already going to do. It might take time to accumulate enough points, but the reward is worth it. Imagine strolling through Seville, marveling at the Alhambra, or indulging in tapas in Madrid, all without spending a dime on airfare. That's the power of travel hacking. Alright, so you've accumulated a treasure chest of credit card points and miles, but how do you actually turn them into a free trip to Spain? Well, that's what we're going to cover in this chapter. First things first, familiarize yourself with the different ways to redeem your rewards. Some credit cards offer travel portals where you can book flights, hotels and rental cars directly using your points. Others allow you to transfer your points to airline or hotel loyalty programs, which can often provide even better value. Now, when it comes to booking flights using points and miles, timing is everything. Airlines typically release award seats, those available for points redemption at varying times and in limited quantities. It's essential to be flexible with your travel dates and keep an eye out for sales and special offers. Don't be afraid to get creative with your flight itineraries. Sometimes flying into a smaller airport or taking a connecting flight can significantly reduce the number of points or miles required. Consider breaking up your trip into multiple segments or even flying into one city and out of another to maximize your rewards. And here's a little insider tip. Consider using your points or miles for premium cabins like business or first class. While these seats usually require more points, the value proposition can be exceptional, especially on long-haul flights. Imagine jetting off to Spain in style, sipping on complimentary champagne and arriving refreshed and ready to explore. Remember, the key to maximizing your credit card points and miles is to treat them like currency. Just like you wouldn't spend your hard-earned cash without carefully considering your options, the same principle applies to your rewards. Do your research, compare redemption values, and make strategic decisions to get the most out of your points and miles. With a little planning and effort, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the magic of Spain, all thanks to the power of credit card points and miles. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about another fantastic way to experience Spain for free volunteering. Volunteering abroad is an incredibly rewarding experience that allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture, make a difference, and often score free accommodation and sometimes even meals. Spain offers a wide range of volunteer opportunities, from working with children and teaching English to environmental conservation and assisting with animal rescue. No matter your interests or skills, you're sure to find a program that aligns with your passions. One popular option is Worldpackers, a platform that connects travelers with hosts around the world, offering accommodation and other perks in exchange for a few hours of volunteer work each day. You can find opportunities teaching English, helping out on organic farms, or even assisting with social media and marketing for local businesses. Another reputable organization is Workaway, which operates similarly to Worldpackers, connecting volunteers with hosts in various fields. Whether you're interested in working with animals, helping out at a hostel, or assisting with community projects, Workaway offers a diverse range of opportunities to choose from. Volunteering in Spain is not just about free accommodation, it's about experiencing the country from a different perspective, connecting with locals and making a meaningful contribution. You'll gain a deeper understanding of Spanish culture, improve your language skills, and create lasting memories. Imagine spending your days working alongside passionate individuals, learning new skills, and immersing yourself in the local community. In the evenings, you can explore the surrounding areas, sample delicious Spanish cuisine, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Volunteering in Spain is an adventure that will stay with you long after you return home. Chapter 4. Have you ever dreamed of living like a local in Spain, experiencing the country from the comfort of a real Spanish home? Well, that dream can become a reality through house sitting. House sitting is a mutually beneficial arrangement where homeowners going on vacation or traveling for work entrust their homes and sometimes even their pets to responsible individuals in exchange for free accommodation. It's a win-win situation. Homeowners get peace of mind knowing their property is well cared for, and house sitters get to enjoy a unique and affordable travel experience. Spain, with its abundance of vacation homes and homeowners seeking temporary caretakers, offers a plethora of house-sitting opportunities. From cozy apartments in bustling cities to charming villas in the countryside, you can find a variety of options to suit your preferences. Several websites and platforms connect homeowners with potential house sitters. Some popular options include trusted house sitters, Nomador, and house carers. These platforms allow homeowners to list their properties and requirements, while house sitters can create profiles highlighting their experience, references, and interests. House sitting offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in Spanish culture, explore a particular region in depth, and enjoy a more authentic travel experience. You'll have the chance to live like a local, shop at neighborhood markets, cook traditional Spanish meals, and experience the rhythm of daily life in Spain. Imagine waking up in a charming Spanish home, sipping your morning coffee on a sunny balcony overlooking a bustling plaza. During the day you can explore nearby towns, hike scenic trails, or simply relax and enjoy the tranquility of your temporary abode. House sitting allows you to experience Spain at your own pace, creating a truly memorable and personalized adventure. Chapter 5. Alright, so we've covered how to get to Spain for free and find free accommodation, but what about actually experiencing the country without spending a dime? Well, fear not, budget-conscious travelers, because Spain is teeming with free activities and attractions that will leave you amazed. One of the best ways to explore Spanish cities is through free walking tours. Offered in most major cities, these tours are typically led by local guides who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and love for their city. You'll discover hidden gems, learn fascinating historical facts, and get insider tips on the best places to eat, drink, and explore. Many museums in Spain offer free admission on certain days of the week or during specific hours. For example, the Prado Museum in Madrid is free to enter every evening from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., while the Picasso Museum in Barcelona offers free admission on the first Sunday of each month. Spain is renowned for its vibrant street life and free cultural events. From traditional flamenco performances in Seville to open-air concerts in Barcelona, there's always something to see and do without spending a euro. Check local listings, tourist information centers, and websites like Time Out to stay informed about upcoming events. Many cities in Spain have beautiful parks and gardens that are free to enjoy. Take a stroll through Retiro Park in Madrid, explore the Ciutadella Park in Barcelona, or wander through the Maria Luisa Park in Seville. These green spaces offer a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life and are perfect for a picnic lunch or a relaxing afternoon. Don't underestimate the joy of simply wandering through the charming streets and plazas of Spanish cities and towns. Soak up the lively atmosphere, admire the stunning architecture, and people watch at a local cafe. Some of the best travel experiences are often the unplanned ones. So there you have it, folks, your guide to traveling to Spain for free. Remember, with a bit of planning, creativity, and a thirst for adventure, you can experience the magic of Spain without breaking the bank. Embrace the spirit of travel hacking, immerse yourself in the local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Spain awaits, and it's ready to welcome you with open arms, whether you arrive with a pocket full of euros or a heart full of wanderlust. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels. It is very important to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and leave a comment to receive all that is new.